Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and right here we've got developer options. If you cannot find them in your device, no worries, just find our tutorial of how to enable them. And let's get back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is simply find the option which is called Automatic System Updates. Right now it is obviously turned off, so just tap on it, tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. So actually this is it. This is how to activate the automatic system updates in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.